This is the second video of the series The World's Tallest Buildings. In our previous video we talked about the Burj Khalifa. This video brings you the second tallest building in the world as of today. So, let's deep dive into it. Or, rather climb up to it. Name: Shanghai Tower. Location: Lujiazui, Pudong, Shanghai, China. Height: 632 meters, 2073 feet, floors: 128 above ground, 5 below ground. Architect: Gensler. Construction start: November 2008. Construction and completed in September 2015, official opening: June 2016. Primary use: mixed use, including office, hotel, retail, and observation decks. Developer: Shanghai Tower Construction and Development Company, Limited. Cost: approximately $2.4 billion. Structural system: reinforced concrete core with a composite structural steel frame. Design features: spiral shape, inner glass facade, double skin curtain wall. Total area: approximately 381,600 square meters, 4,110,000 square feet. Architectural design: the design of the Shanghai Tower is characterized by its unique twisting form, which helps reduce wind loads on the building. The tower's outer glass facade wraps around the building in a double skin curtain wall, providing thermal insulation and optimizing natural daylight penetration. Sky Gardens: Shanghai Tower features 9 indoor sky gardens positioned throughout the tower, providing green spaces and break areas for occupants. These gardens offer panoramic views of the city and serve as communal spaces for relaxation and social interaction. Observation deck: the Shanghai Tower observation deck is located on the 118th to 120th floors. Elevators: 106 elevators, including high-speed double-deck elevators and the world's fastest single-deck elevators. Energy-efficient features: the tower incorporates numerous sustainable design elements, including high-efficiency heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems, rainwater collection, and wind turbines on the rooftop. Sustainability certifications: the Shanghai Tower has received several prestigious sustainability certifications, including LEED Platinum certification, China Green Building 3-star certification, and China Green Building Design Label certification. These accolades highlight the tower's commitment to environmentally friendly design and operations. The Shanghai Tower stands as a testament to innovative architectural design, sustainable practices, and technological advancements. It serves as a prominent symbol of China's economic prowess and its commitment to creating sustainable and forward-thinking urban environments.